atong bagong balay gidantahan. So naka na siya, one room na siya, may CR, kay tiles, tapos with aircon na. So maglimpyo may muna yung lababo, right. So okay na, may CR sa loob. May tiris-tiris, bayanan. So presko, naikan mga kahoy rin, mga lubi. Dili kayo kan ba? Init. Ay kay abog para sa bata. Good evening. So pag-ulang human og hakot So mo ni karon ang Dios sa gabi diri sa among bagong balay. Puy-anan. So basta na mga gamit. Okay, sa sala pwede yung tambay-tambayanan, tiris-tiris. Sa plaster ng gamit. So CR, itong lababo. So natay ko ang garunti bagong giluto na papait. Masabaw ta, sabaw, papaitan. Alright, so wala pa bangko rin, wala pa kapalit bangko o lamisa mo magyawat atong camping chair o table. So mo lang to, itong update karon. Alright.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Alas 5 na. So maghimasa ata sa akong bata. Magdulum-dulum na. Ay ay ay. Ay 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 ay.
Without you I never could have moved away, but now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
Natulog bago mo inaog sa ubos kailan duyan. Kunita lang tiil na siya, tapos ang gamot kailangan nakagunit, then then duyan. Yung duyan so nagpanday ko katong kahoy niyo mga kahoy na kaya para lang makakabit ang duyan na muni style niya. Para lang makaduyan ning maldita na bata na nagkinatulong na. Good night.
Blessings come one in a dozen. The other 11 is something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing certain, I'll always be